welcome back to your 30-day yoga challenge. Today we are going to go over boat pose, Navasana. And this is a fun pose to throw into a flow, throw into your practice. Great for the abs, great for strengthening the body, and just a little bit of fun and fire. So we're going to start with our feet on the mat, knees bent, roll the shoulders, and just bring your hands to the back of your thighs, just onto your hamstrings, and lift the chest. So from here, you're just finding this real lift, this real energetic body. And you're just gonna start to bring your weight back slightly. So you slightly come off the sit bones and onto the sort of juicier part of your bum. Peel your feet off your mat and start to parallel your shins with your mat. Keep rolling the shoulders and lifting the heart. Now you can optionally just stay here and just keep the hands resting on the back of the thighs, keeping the heart lifting, or you can maybe bring the arms all the way off. Option 3 is to straighten the legs. So wherever you want to go, either, not feet down, either hands behind the thighs and just lifting here, arms off, or legs straightening. We're going to start to lower the body. So if the hands are on the thighs, just keep them there. If the arms are out long, let them come out long. Or if the legs are out long, let them come out long. We're going to lower down halfway. Take a big breath. Inhale. As you exhale, start to come all the way back into your boat pose Navasana, lifting the heart. Inhale, lengthen gracefully. Exhale, start to squeeze everything back in, lift the heart, lift the chest. Inhale, find length. Exhale, bring it all the way in. Whole body starts to shake. Inhale, lengthen. Exhale, squeeze it back in. Stay here for 3 more breaths. Inhale. Exhale, 1. Inhale. Exhale, 2. Inhale. Exhale, 3, and bring the legs all the way down and just find a release. Bring the feet, the soles of the feet together, knees out wide, hands just over the feet, and inhale, just lift the heart and just come back to a lovely comfy seat, nothing too strenuous. We're gonna move through Navasana one more time. Close the knees, plant the feet back down your mat, knees are bent. Come onto your sit bones, hands behind the thighs, roll the shoulders, lift the chest. And from here, just come off your sit bones. So from your bony butt, off your bony butt. Roll the shoulders, keep lifting the heart. Legs come parallel. The option is there. Either the hands behind the thighs, lengthen out long, or legs out, wherever you want to go. Roll the shoulders, take a breath, inhale. Just land this, exhale. Can you keep the face lovely and soft? Now inhale, start to lengthen the body. Exhale, squeezing everything back in. Inhale, gracefully lengthen. Exhale, scoop it all in. Inhale, lengthen. All the shakes going on. Exhale, squeeze it all the way in. Hold for 3, 2, and 1. Find a release. Legs come all the way back down. Feet come together, knees out wide. Just roll the shoulders. And just come back to a comfortable seat. Maybe give your belly a little pet if it was starting to feel all the fire in it. And then come all the way back to Sukhasana, legs crossed. And that is your fiery boat pose. All of the good stuff in the belly, all that lovely juicy warmth. So just come back to your breath and take a big inhale to close. And a big sigh out through the mouth. And I'll see you tomorrow for a little bit more. Namaste.